And
It'll start
it says
running at the
1,
bottom.
2, yes, go.
Okay.
Hey, I'm Matt Dahl here, and I just took a 3-hour session from Dale Richards, learning all about the productivity pyramid, how to increase the value of my company, and it's going to bring a lot to the table for me. So one of my favorite things that I was able to think about was some of the little things of how to increase the time on our receivables. That's going to be a big nugget for me. I think that we're going to be able to increase cash flow in the $300,000 to $400,000 range, but by doing that. So that was a big takeaway from me. And then the productivity pyramid, just that was big. I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna start implementing that with my teams. I'm gonna do the one-on-one coaching that we talked about and see what I could do to raise value in the company. And so I got a lot of value out of it today, and I really appreciate your time and
Matt,
sharing
thank you
this.
for your participation. You were always eager and willing to voice what you thought, and that was really great. And the thing about being a coach is it's very rewarding. Besides that, it's fun. It's fun to help somebody achieve to the next level, and you can celebrate together and have a great time. And besides that, the company moves down the path of excellence. So it's a lot of fun. It takes a little bit of work to implement it, but you'll have fun doing it, and you'll be an expert at it.
I like
Thanks
it.
for your participation.
Absolutely. Thank you. Appreciate it.